Valentine's Day. Are you making a card?
Yeah. For that.
What are you making, Mariah?
Stickers.
For who?
Mama.
You're making a Valentine's card?
Yeah.
It's very kind.
No, I'm not need your help. Making Mama that sticker. I'm making that picture, Daddy.
That's very nice. Can I come and see?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll go to that.
Yeah?
This is. I take it that paper. That big paper. I take it that paper. My
So, look, take the scissors like this. Like this. Look how I'm holding it. Like this. Like. Put the thumb like this. There. Now open and close. Like this. Open the hand. Open your hand. And close your hand. Open your hand and close your hand. You got it? Yay! Well done.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's not A, G. This is it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F. What's going on? Hear that? You hear that? Daddy, you hear that? I'm doing homework.
Doing your homework. Did you go to school today? Yeah? What school you go to?
I should.
Aliyah's school. Aliyah's school. Ah.
I so much sun.
So many friends. Yeah?
Swinging. Slide. I so much sun.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Had lots of fun there.
Yeah. Yeah. I just again.
You gonna make some calls?
Yeah.
Okay, who you calling?
Daddy. Daddy.
You're calling me?
Yeah.
I'm right here.
Hello.
Hello?
Daddy.
Yes.
Come. Say that. It's my happy day.
It's what day?
It's my happy day.
Yeah? You're on a holiday. Where are you gonna go on a holiday?
There.
There?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye, love you.
You don't own. You don't own. I'm going.
Okay, you're off.
You don't go.
I'll finish it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll finish it.
Daddy, you see?
Yeah, I see it, yeah. Why do you need your bag?
No, I need me back. I need back. Dada, come in later. Dada, come in later. Dada, come in later.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Look at all this Lego.
You dad, yellow. Daddy's broken. Sorry, Daddy.
It's okay.
Yeah, sorry, Dad's house. Yes, me, sorry, Daddy.
I don't know.
Yes, me,
you sad?
Because I'm playing.
Yeah?
Please be home. I'm doing homework.
More homework?
Yeah.
School gives you lots of homework.
Yeah.
Hey, you're hungry?
I'm hungry.
Angry? Why are you angry?
I'm going outing.
Where are you going?
I'm going out.
You're going shopping?
Yeah.
What are you going to buy?
Coconut. I open me back. I open me back. I open me back.
Is it for Valentine's?
Yeah.
Show us.
Jump, 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 jump. That's me, Daddy. At the house.
Let's go to the house. Let's go. What's it? You made the card for here, your sister. Let's have a look.
It's a me.
It's what?
It's a me.
Let's see the card. Show me the card. Wait. What are you doing?
I need help. What can we do? Okay. Yeah, I know. I can change. Help me help you. I'm doing making.
Okay, show me the card for here.
Hey. It's my boat.
It says Daddy.
Yeah.
The bottom bit.
Baby.
Who bit it?
Me.
You ate it?
Yeah.
Why?
No.
What did you do with it? Happy Valentine's Day, my beautiful sister is gone.
Okay.